What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Let me show you something though. What you guys think though? What you guys think? Not bad, not bad accessory drive kit. We just got this in, you guys. It is from Summit, believe it or not. It is very, very similar to Holley's. As a matter of fact, some parts are Holley's. As you can see, you get all the instructions from Holley. But what's going on here is that Summit actually offers this drive kit as basically, you want to call it like a budget style drive kit for your motors, for your LS's, but they're using Holley components. Now they do use their own accessories as far as the AC compressor, the alternator, and the power steering pump. That's their brand, and that's what actually allows this kit to be cheaper. It's about $300 to $400 cheaper than if you were to buy this kit from Holley. So they are using their brackets though, so they do give us their bracket for both sides, but you do also need to get these extension brackets right here. These will bring the accessory drive kit outwards, so that way it'll match up with our serpentine belt, because the configuration could be different depending on what balancer you guys are running. So keep that in mind. It will depend on what kit you guys need to order as far as the brackets go here, because this is not included in the kit. So this is not included in the kit, and then also power steering reservoir is not included in the kit, so you guys got to get that separate. But everything else is included in the kit, like I said, with the exception of the power steering pump, bracket, and reservoir, and then the accessory drive brackets that's gonna allow you it to work with your existing balancer. So keep that in mind. I will try to put as much of the part numbers down in the description below so you guys can have that. But let me show you guys what we got going on at the car first, and then we're gonna end up having to take that stuff off. So there's the old stuff. We still got the old stuff off. We got to pull that tensioner off. We got to pull off this alternator bracket along with that pulley. Power steering pump's got to come off, so we got to get all this off before we can snap on the new stuff. As a matter of fact, let's just do it now. Bam, dude, look at that. It is off just like that, you guys. You guys are good. You guys are fast. We got everything off. All you need is that water pump in there. Good to go. So we'll start off with the brackets and then go from there and then work our way so we get everything on. Hey guys, what's up? Real quick, man, I was in the zone last night. It is the next day. I forgot about the camera. It just died. Long story short, we pretty much finished up. So this is what you should end up with. We got the power steering pump bracket and reservoir in there as well, and we went ahead and put that pulley on as well. It's pretty nice. They give you this little bolt and nut setup, and you literally just run this bolt on the inside of that pulley, or I'm sorry, on the inside of the power steering pump, and then thread the nut down, and what it does, it sucks in that pulley So that's pretty nice of them to do that for us. I kind of got a little bit of mock-up slash wire going on here, you guys can see as my belt. Basically, I don't have a belt. It does not come with the belt because every application is going to be a little bit different depending on the water pump you have, depending on the balancer you guys have. So they're not going to give you a belt, but we're using this wire to find the length. It's kind of a little trick I do, but it's still going to be a pain in the butt because it's not going to be accurate, to say the least. So what you're going to want to do is do something like this, kind of measure it out a little bit, have an idea, and then take this down. I'm going to have to go down to the auto parts store and see if I can find one that's to this length. And what I'll do is I'll take this down there and get about 3 different sizes, this size more or less, and then one size below that and one size above that, and see if one of those 3 work. But that's what we got to do. We got to go down to the auto parts store and get that. I like it. It looks good. Everything lines up pretty good. It's going to work out for us very well. And it's a little bit more affordable than that HOLLEY setup. Like I said, you can kind of tell that it's definitely a little bit on the quality side. It's a little bit less as far as the casing and stuff goes, but I really feel like it should be fine. It is a Summit brand. This alternator, I want to say it's 130 amp, 135 amp alternator. And we are going to have to change the pigtail out here because the pigtail we had here was the one for the LS3 alternator. So we're not going to be able to use that pigtail. We're going to have to cut it and then put a new pigtail on. Other than that, looks good. Guys, let me know what you guys think. Put it down in the comments below. Let me know if anybody's ever used this kit. Like I said, I will try to link all the part numbers I can down in the description below. So see if it helps somebody else out. But guys, you guys already know. Stay wrenching.